If you're in crucial need of a PC that's reliable and will process your data fast, I have something that might be what you're looking for. You don't have to settle for just aesthetics. You can have both the look of a perfect all-white build and the power of high-performance memory speeds by our friends at Crucial. The 2TB T705 Gen 5 SSD with the white spreader from Crucial is limited edition and has amazing heatsink attached to ensure optimal cooling. With read speeds up to 14,500 megabytes per second to load any apps and games at insane speeds, and write speeds up to 12,700 megabytes per second, this SSD is perfect for any PC enthusiasts, gamers, streamers, editors, content creators, you name it! I'll be pairing this amazing SSD with the Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX Ice and the Asus 4070 OC edition to match the white beautifully. Following up with the Deepcool LT250 and Corsair 4000D AF that comes included with the RM850 PSU. Everything in white and a powerful Intel Core i7-14700KF to bring it all together. Even though we are putting an Intel CPU in this build, the Crucial DDR5 OC RAM supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo on the same module. And with the Crucial DDR5 OC RAM, you'll be able to run multiple games at a time. 25% lower latency than JEDEC memory for any competitive gamers, speeds up to 6,000 megatransfers per second, which makes it faster than DDR4 with 2 times the bandwidth. The Crucial OC DDR5 RAM comes with overclocking capabilities, and with this origami heatsink design, you'll be a winner and so will your PC. Let's jump right into the build now, shall we? Start with the motherboard. Wow, look at the heat sinks on this. And we'll take out our Intel Core i7-14700KF. Put that right there. And whoa. Now for the main course. We have the Crucial DDR5 OC RAM, 32 gigabytes. We'll be installing the Crucial T705 SSD. This is equipped with the premium heat shroud and it is limited edition. This is the Corsair 4000D AF. We already have one step already done, which is the PSU. It's already installed into here and we have the cables attached, which I will put in later once we put in the motherboard. Right there, perfect fit. My handy dandy Gwen pen. No! Cool. That's done with. Now we'll move into the cooler. This is the Deepcool LT520WH. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so white. Oh, these are really nice fans. And it comes with pre-installed thermal paste, so you don't have to worry about too much or too little. Now this is ready to be installed, so now I'm going to take the case and I'm going to put it in. Now for the fun part. We're going to be putting in the GPU. We'll be putting in the Asus 4070 RTX OC edition. This will match beautifully with the Crucial OC edition RAM as well. Beautiful, wow! For 4070, it's actually pretty small for its size, but it's still extremely powerful and will match perfectly with the SSD. Now everything's installed, all I need to do now is cable manage, and since we have the PSU already pre-installed, I'm going to take out the hard drives and insert the cables first before inserting it into the motherboard and everything else. And lastly, the GPU. Now, I've finished putting everything together, so we just need to put on the panels and we're ready to boot it up. Now for the moment of truth. Wow, check out this all-white build we just finished. Crucial really outdid themselves with the RAM and SSD being in all-white. You're going to have overclocking efficiency and read and write speeds at maximum performance. It really lets you admire Deepcool's Infinity Cube and the other extra aesthetics to it, such as your cables, your RAM, your SSD, your GPU, all around. And even with this case came with a PSU, and this PSU is also all in white. This build is far from ordinary. Maximum performance from the 2TB T705 Gen 5 SSD and Crucial DDR5 OC, all optimized for high-end motherboards such as the Gigabyte Z790 Elite AX Ice. It's truly a game changer for streamers running streaming programs and their favorite games. Processing times are quicker for editors with the read and write speeds from Crucial. And even casual gamers will have a better quality of life, loading into games with the lowest latency they'll ever experience. A perfect setup for any type of user. No need to wait and process it. Get the Crucial T705 Gen 5 SSD and Crucial DDR5 OC RAM on Newegg today. Bye!